afternoon, whatever it might be when you're watching this. It's a good time. The sun's shining. It's about 1 degree below zero. A beautiful time to think about gardening, and to prepare yourself by checking your inventory of what you have around the house and and thinking about what you're going to plant and how much of a size of a garden you want. And the thing is, the questions that come up of, I want to start some seeds inside. Well, how soon do you plant them? Well, we have a graph here that you get off the internet, but for indoor sowing, the first question is, what type of soil do I want to use? Well, they have the regular seed starting mixed by different color bags, and the difference between regular seed starting soil and the regular soil for potting soil would be one's finer than the other, to make it easier for you to transplant your seedling, to grow it on. When you're starting this early, you're going to move them to a larger pot. And you're going to be starting them in trays, like this, we call a seed starting tray. It does not use as much soil, and you get your plants started, but you don't want to start them yet. You want to start them at least, depending what they are, from this little chart that we've made up that's somewhere here. The earliest you'll be planting around here by seed is 10 to 12 weeks before the last frost, which is the 15th of May, average. And that's average now, guys. It could be as late as the end of May, or as early as the last frost would be the 1st of May. But that don't depend on it. Figure right around the 15th, you can go outside with your fingers crossed with your transplant. So the plant accordingly. We have a list of what you will be planting earlier. But if you only have regular potting soil and you got a fresh bag, you can take it, rub it in your hands and make it finer and use it as a seed starting soil, because you want to be able to have the plant start to get up to its first true leaves, which is the second set of leaves. It'll start to look like the plant you're going to plant. Then you can move it and put it into a pot to grow it on with. Now the size of pot, depending on what type of plant you're talking about, like a tomato plant, you probably want to put it into a pot this size to grow it on with, if you're starting them early. So you have enough room to have them grow. You want to run them at a temperature that will not let them stretch. To get them started out of your seedling started, you usually plant and put a cover over the top. They'll hold the humidity, and it has a little ventilator hole here so it doesn't get too moist. And you leave this on until the plants emerge and start coming out until almost to the cotyledon stage, and then remove this so they don't cook, and move and cool them off. And they'll put out their true leaves. You want to grow them at temperature right around 60. Do just fine. Once they emerge, getting them out of the ground, if you get them out, get them where the soil temperature is around 80 degrees, they come out of the ground at a reasonable time.